Hello everyone and welcome to this class. In this class we are going to learn about polio virus. Okay. So this polio virus basically belong to Picorona family, and if you just try to translate these words, then pico means small and RNA here refers to simply RNA, which is its genome. Okay. So this uh, this poliovirus is basically icosahedral in shape. Okay, but it is toward a circular side. As you can see this diagram right here, you can see this circular shaped protein, but actually if you draw some lines around it, then you can also observe this icosahedral shape in it. Okay, so uh, it contains positive sense RNA genome also here in the center, as I have mentioned earlier also that this contains RNA also. Okay, so it basically, if you see its structure, it's contain four viral proteins. The first is viral protein 1. Here this gray section is viral protein 1. Okay, this gray section right here also, these are viral protein 1, which are always present in between viral protein 2 and 3, right? And these are connected through this viral protein 4, which are toward inside of, where is viral protein, yeah, here, which is toward inside of these viral proteins. Okay, they try to attach everyone, not everyone but every proteins, and maintain the structure. Okay, then we will talk about its transmission. Okay, so the transmission is again fecal oral route, through contaminated water, or if some flies will take your virus sample from fecal to your food, then also it can transmit. So keep clean, stay healthy. Okay, and from here it will move to the digestive system, basically to the alimentary canal part. Okay, so we have this animal alimentary canal, the food pipe, we call it food pipe. Okay, so first of all, when virus enter through our mouth, fecal oral route, through oral route, so it will go to upper respiratory or upper alimentary canal part, where it replicate and cause primary viremia, and then spread to the lower part also, and can cause secondary viremia also, and it will leave the stool through feces also. Okay, when I talk about viruses, means it can spread to blood also, and from blood to nervous system, which is the major cause in paralytic poliomyelitis. It spread to nervous system. Okay, basically this polio can be divided into three categories: type 1, type 2, and type 3. The first is the most common category, which you can see all around the world, and this is the most common epidemic cause, means it can affect a whole country or a whole state on a larger demographic part. Okay, not to the whole world, but on to a small scale, not so small, on a medium scale, you can say. Then comes endemic part, which is a local infection. So this type 2 polio can affect your locality also. And third type is also epidemic, but it is not as common as type 1. And if you talk about its clinical manifestation, then it can manifest in four forms. Okay, first is inapparent infection. This inapparent infection is basically initial polio infection. Okay, it happens when initially virus multiplication is seen inside the body and basically cause fever, small fever. Okay, and then comes abortive poliomyelitis. Okay, it is minor illness. It occurs when primary viremia occurs, means when first time this virus leaves the alimentary canal and enters into our bloodstream, then this primary viremia occurs, where it multiplies further and can destroy our RBC, and this can cause fever, headache, sore throat, and malaise also. Okay, then comes third, which is paralytic poliomyelitis. You can say this is the complete manifestation of polio, in which it can cause everything which a polio virus can cause. So thus it is called major illness. The major symptom of it is paralysis. Okay, and apart from paralysis, actually before paralysis, a biphasic fever occur, which returns after every 3 to 4 days, and a patient might suffer from headache, stiff neck, and meningitis like features. Okay, after that paralysis can occur, means it just, this paralysis occur when this polio affect motor nerve end. Okay, remember this, it is very important that it covers, or you can say blocks or damages the motor nerve ends. And the last is non-paralytic poliomyelitis. And this is the disease which does not progress to beyond the stage of aseptic meningitis. Means it does not or will not develop into paralysis, but other symptoms can be observed. And lastly is its vaccine. So OPV, which is called oral polio vaccine, is developed by Albert and Savin, which is used to treat this, or you can say used to immunize the children so that they won't get infected with sorry, not oral, but polio virus. Okay. Then comes injection, which are injectable form. Like some countries like USA, they don't approve this oral polio vaccine, so they inject it into the blood. So that's it for this class. Thank you very much and see you soon.